Hey everyone, welcome back. If the BMO app gets stuck on loading screen, try these fixes. First, start by turning airplane mode on. Then, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. After that, turn it off. This will reset your connection. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Close the app completely by swiping it away from your screen and then reopen it. Next, restart your phone to refresh your system memory. Also, head over to your app store, search for your app, and make sure the BMO app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Now, if the issue continues, long press on the BMO banking app icon, delete app, then delete it. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for the app, and reinstall it again. This usually clears loading screen problems and allows to open the app normally, and that's it. Subscribe for more